The 2018 Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player, passenger airbag on/off switch, trip computer, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, power outlet, rear wheel drive, engine immobilizer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.